Chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, send it on down the line. Everybody's talking about chicken. Chicken is a very popular word. You call it what you want. When you put it in a pot of chicken, ain't nothing but a bird. Some people call it fowl. At least that's a story I've heard. Call it what you wish. When it pops out on a dish of chicken, ain't nothing but a bird. You can roast it, toast it, boil it or broil it, cook it in a pan or a pie. Serve it with tomatoes, rice, or potatoes. Chicken is still what you got. It was a dish for old Caesar, also King Henry III. Columbus, he was smart. He said, the way I sees it, chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Roast it, toast it, boil it or broil it, cook it in a pan or a pie. Serve it with tomatoes, rice, or potatoes, and chicken is still what you got. It was a gift for old Caesar, also King Henry III. Columbus, he was smart. He said, the way I sees it, chicken ain't nothing but a bird.